All right, welcome to today's lesson. In today's lesson, I'm going to be explaining every line of code that you're seeing right now. If you remember, this was where we stopped in our last lesson or previous lesson. So, if you're ready, I am ready, so let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do right now is take this out, take everything out, okay? So, and I will have the first line of code is the doc type, and the doc type is HTML, and you close it with a greater than sign. So I pretty much assume that everyone in this training already has basic knowledge of computer or the basic skills of computer. So all these symbols should not be difficult for you to locate on your keyboard. Alright, so this is the first line of code, and it's saying document type, and the document type is HTML. So now this document type is not case sensitive. What does that mean? It means you can either decide to write everything in capital, that is, I'm talking about the document type itself, not the HTML. You can decide to write everything in capital, or you can decide to go this way that I've done, or you can decide to write everything in small letter. You will still get the same result because it is not case sensitive. Now this first line, what it does is that it tells the browser, because it is the browser that we showcase what the code you have written it's all about on a web page. So what it does is that it tells the browser the kind of file it's about to render. Render in a layman's term simply means about to open. So the browser understands the nature of the file that it's about to render so as to knowing how to render it. So now that you have declared to the browser that the file it's about to open, it's an HTML file. So the next question the browser will ask, okay then, where is the file? So that takes us to the next tag, which is called the HTML tag. So you use an HTML tag to create an HTML file. Sorry about that. So I'm going to take all of these out. Okay, it's because we have configured the interface already, and that's why we're getting that. So this is called an HTML tag, and we use it to create an HTML file. And don't forget, in our last lesson we said we use HTML to create web page. All right, so this is the first one without the forward slash is called the open tag, while the one with the forward slash is called the close tag. It's called the close tag. So in the course of this lesson, I'm going to introduce you to a lot of tags that are used to develop web page, okay, and they will also be coming with open and close tag. So right now, all that you need to know is that any tag without the forward slash is referred to as open tag, while the one with the forward slash is referred to as the close tag. So having done that, the next tag you want to do, so once you do this, you save the file as, and you have created an HTML file, okay, or invariably you can say pretty much that you've created a web page. So after you've done this, the next thing you want to do is introduce the head tag. So this is the head tag. You can see, just like we explained earlier, the head tag also comes with an open tag and a close tag, because the second tag has a forward slash. So, and we said that the one with the forward slash is the close tag, while the one without the forward slash is the open tag. So I need you to understand this architecture. I need you to understand this structure. It is called the basic foundation of all the websites, irrespective of the type of website you're about to develop. This foundation is common to all of them, be it an educational website, e-commerce website, personal website, whatever website you want to do, all follow this structure. and this is called HTML basic structure. So all website has similar structure. Okay, so this is the head tag. So the head tag, one of the things that the head tag does, which you should be concerned with right now, just forget about, there are so many other things that you can use the head tag section to do, but one of the most prominent one that you should be concerned about right now as a beginner or as an intermediate person, if you are in this group, is to know that the head tags allow you to title your web page. So, and that takes us to the next tag, which is the title tag. Okay, the title tag. All right, you can see that the title tag itself also comes with open tag and a close tag. So in the title tag, that was where we wrote web development tutorial. Can you see? All right, so I haven't done that. So the last tag of the day comes immediately after the head tag, and it is called the body tag. All right, you can see that the body tag also comes with the open tag and the close tag with a /. Okay, it is in the body tag that all the content of your website, content as we earlier mentioned in our previous lesson, could range from videos on your web page, text on your web page, colors on your web page, buttons, pictures, images, anything that you can see on a web page is referred to as content. So all content that you can see on any website at all goes in between the body tag. So content goes here. All right, so all your content goes in between the body tag. So a brief recap of all that has been said today. All right, so I said the first line of code here is called the doc type, and what this doc type does is that it tells the browser or give the browser an idea of the kind of file it's about to render, and that file is what? HTML. So and once you have done that, the next thing is the browser will ask, okay, so where is the file? So we are going to create an HTML file using an HTML tag. Okay, so you do that using an HTML tag. So most tags used in HTML usually comes with open and close tag. So the first tag, the tag without the / is called the open tag, while the one with the / is called the close tag. Immediately after the HTML tag, the next tag you want to think about is the head tag. And one of the major things that the head tag help you to do is to title your web page. And you can title your web page or give your web page a title simply by using the title tag. Okay, and once you have done that, and I said there are other things you can use the head tag to do, but just focus on this for now. The last tag of the day is the body tag, where all the content that will be appearing on your website goes in between. So all the content of your website goes in between these body tag. And what you have seen here are called the basic HTML structure. Basic HTML structure. So in the next lesson, we'll start adding content and introducing ourselves to more tags that can be used on HTML. So I do believe you have enjoyed this lesson. If you enjoyed this lesson, please do not forget to drop a comment at the comment section. You can as well like this video and also share it for your friends and family that you know might be interested in this kind of skill. Don't also forget to click on the subscribe button if you haven't done that, and hit on the notification bell so that you can be the first to get notified anytime we upload a new video. Thank you, and see you in the next lesson. Bye.